In the packages of mixed flower seeds I bought and planted last year, these started growing. They are Gloriosa Daisy. They are a stunning, hard-working variation of the classic native black-eyed Susans. While wild black-eyed Susans typically have solid gold yellow petals, Gloriosa Daisies are beloved for their massive multi-tone blooms featuring rich splashes of mahogany, bronze, red, and orange radiating from a deep chocolate brown core. They are incredibly resilient, highly attractive to pollinators, and surprisingly easy to grow. They are a short-lived perennial, often grown as an annual or a biennial. They're hardy in zones 3 to 9, full sun to very light partial shade, tolerates clay, loam, poor soils, but needs very good drainage. Medium to low, excellent. Gloriosa Daisies are tough as nails prairie plants. They aren't fussy about soil fertility, and they possess fuzzy, coarse stems that naturally deter deer and rabbits. And to get the most out of your plants, follow these straightforward steps. Choose the perfect spot in full sun. Pick a location that gets at least 6 hours of direct sun daily. While they tolerate light or partial shade, full sun gives them the sturdiest stems and the most vibrant, prolific blooms. Sow seeds or plants spring or fall. If planting from seeds, sow them directly outdoors after the last frost or start indoors 6 to 8 weeks early. Do not bury the seeds deeply. They require light to germinate. So slightly press them into the soil surface. Establish with light watering first few weeks. Water your young plants regularly until they are established and showing steady new growth. Once the root systems are set, is technically short-lived perennial, but it behaves more like a biennial. To keep them in your garden indefinitely, stop deadheading late in fall. Let the final flower heads dry out. They will happily self-seed and return year after year on their own. Leave the winter seed heads for the birds. The stiff, cone-like seed heads persist beautifully through winter. Local songbirds, especially goldfinches, rely on these seeds as a winter food source. Avoid over-fertilizing. These plants thrive in low to medium fertility soils. Giving them too much nitrogen-rich fertilizer will result in massive, floppy green foliage with very few actual daisy blooms. Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.